Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II.
Let's click the Sign In button. We can use the click or submit method. Recall from our PowerPoint slide, the submit method operates like the click method if the web element is a form or within a form. An exception shows when submit is used outside a form. For now, let me show you how click works with the sign in button. Driver dot find element by ID dot click. Let's inspect the button. The value for ID is login button, which shows the button tag is located inside of the form tag. The button tag disappears when I collapse the form tag. Let's run. Invalid username and or password. The click method works. I need to let you know there are cases when click will not work in a form. If click does not work, then use the submit method. Now let's change click to submit, then run. Submit also works. Did you notice the error message is different when using click and submit? The error message after using submit shows please enter your password, but the message states invalid username and or password after using click. You will get no message if the email address is invalid. Submit will not work if we try to click the login link because the login link is outside a form. I will change click to submit. Let's look at the description for submit, which shows it throws a no such element exception if the element is not within a form. Let's run. No such element exception. No such element. Element was not in a form, so could not submit. Change submit back to click. That's the difference between click and submit. You can download your test cases, your presentation, automation code, and the test cases at tinyurl.com. Selenium WebElement Methods. https://SELENIUMWEBElement
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.